I don't know why the hell you're being so picky.
This is really nitpicky. It's, I mean, call it whatever you want. Yeah, let's go through that. Cut plate behind the front. Plate, rail. They got the kickers off. The kickers are good on. Plate behind the rail's good. Tubing off top of front bumper's good.
Right here.
Yep. Plate from body to the frame. Where was that at? Back there? Let's go. We'll go back there in a second. Sway bar can only be bolted. Where's their bolt?
On the bottom.
Okay.
Good.
Nothing much else going on. Not really thinking about anything else you could have done.
There's the cutting it from the body.
This one up, that one. Sway bar can only be bolted. That was good.
Yep. Body has to be cut free. Check inside of the humps. Yeah, we got to put it up there for that. And the down legs.
I know this is for needles. Waiting to He's wondering what it's an attachment. It's Clark.
I know.
You didn't tell me how I had it. You said it's the attachment, so it's vertical.
Get out there.
Really strong. It's really strong concrete. Industrial grade.
I only told you a piece of steel.
Small side out.
You can't have that.
Let's put it up on the lift. Give them a second.
I worked pretty hard at that.
I bet you did. It's always something.
You wouldn't have done the same thing?
Bill, nice to meet you.
I don't think I'm smart enough to think of that.
Out there.
I mean, don't humble yourself now.
That's right.
It meets the requirements, 6x6 and vertical now.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take a look at that. Boy, these guys have this. Everyone has a PhD in semantics.
Okay.
Did you guys get this stuff underneath cut off?
Yeah, I mean, to the best of his ability.
That ability is pretty strong. I would.
Oh, put her down.
It's like it wasn't even there. It's cut off. They're allowed their brackets in there.
Probably wash more plate in there.
Yeah, what's going on up there?
He doesn't like the cardboard.
We gotta do something.
I don't know. We're gonna talk about it when we go to the ground. That's what I said.
Better than that side. You can actually see the hole in the plate over here, not over there. That side could be washed away better.
How much plate do you think's there?
It's a 1/4 inch,
It's quarter all the way through there.
at least.
We got 3/8 on the outside.
Right. You can see the original part right here.
Yeah, but isn't there a plate here too?
Yeah. All the way. And then they also had a thicker piece there too.
Because of the gap.
Yeah.
Are they short on fix-it plates at all?
I don't think so.
Did you say you were short on fix-it plates?
Say what?
Did you say you were short on fix-it plates?
Yeah, because I cut that one off.
Let's recount them here. So
So I've got those two there, or he's got those two there, and he's got two here, So those are the 4x6s.
Yeah.
So
But
he,
then
he
you-
does not have 8. He's got, what is that, 6? No, 5. He's got 5. 2.
Yeah, but you,
Nothing
you
here.
didn't wash this one off over there.
Correct. So that's 5. We can say that's 5.
Yeah.
This 3, 4.
This is, you said 8. This is the 4x4 for the when you passed inspection last year.
Well, you get 6.
Yeah.
So we don't. Your humps are not good enough.
Okay.
So
You want to cut more on that?
well, you got 2 extra fix-it plates too. So how do you want to use it?
If I don't add any more fix-it plates, are the humps good?
No. They got to be cut more still. You got way more than 6 inches there.
So either way, the humps have to be cut more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
On both sides. The problem with it is you got the side cut. You can cut any of the bottom.
Can I look at it?
This is the plate.
Yep.
That's the plate.
Okay. So you want them cut more?
Yeah, I mean this has to be cut off. So does this. When we say cut off, like it's got to be that deep into that.
Okay.
This side's better over here.
This side's better?
Been cut better, yeah.
Yeah, but we talked about last night, we could leave this plate if we cut the outside. Because it's only
You
welded out
didn't
there.
cut either one of them.
We can blow it around.
You blow it around. You guys are. That's it. I mean, you got 2 fix-it plates to use too, so.
Okay. What do you want
What
to
if
do?
you guys choose them to use?
You got to cut more either way. But, yeah, but you still have to keep fix-it plates to use. So you can just cut a little bit on the humps, and we're good.
And one of those has got to come off.
So you're saying the top.
But ones that I've been cutting.
The inside ones on the inside of the frame rail. Just cut those all the way off.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So just go back here and finish cutting them off.
And then, but here's the thing. Then your fix-it plates are going to be used for the other part.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So like when you come back through for consi or feature, you can't just add that without removing that.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because we'll be checking that. But those got to be washed off.
Okay. Cut it some more. Okay. All right.
Is there anything else?
Hardboard.
You said attach it. You said it had to be attached and it fits in within the 6x6.
The cardboard.
It's industrial grade cardboard.
I was putting stickers on that. What I need to fix.
He's got to cut behind the rear humps. Down to a fix-it plate size. That's where he can use his fix-it plates at. Say what?
The kickers.
Oh, I don't know, man.
It's not a piece of steel.
Finish cutting humps inside,
Hard.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why does it have to be steel?
Legitimately, that's not ground bar. I can go over there and just take it right off. It's still there. It still has a kicker.
I know, but in the rules, where does it say that you have to use a piece of steel?
I think on the cardboard, you're not.
So, it's a cage component. It can be no larger than 6-inch material, round or box tubing. There's where it doesn't fit.
So you want us to go back and just weld steel?
Either that or you got to cut it out.
Cut it out.
I know, but
What's the big deal?
we're still accomplishing the same thing. Obviously, it can be accomplished. I showed you how it can be accomplished.
You guys just want it done for optics.
Yeah, like I gave you the optics.
Yeah,
Somebody walks by that, they see the tube, they see it, they look right here, they're like, oh, yep, there's where that 6x6 tubing goes.
No, what they see is a kicker, not a down leg. Kicker is something that doesn't run up and down. A down leg is something that runs vertical, north and south.
We discussed this last
Vertical.
I just think we're being picky right now that it
We're
doesn't.
not being picky at all.
when you're allowed to have it,
You got a kicker to your hump.
it would be the same thing though if I go back there and cut
Exactly.
the
So
tubing.
make it the same thing.
Okay, whatever. That's fine.
I don't know why the hell you're being so picky.
This is really nitpicky.
I mean, call it whatever you want, but like when it says tubing, it says tubing.
But we're not accomplishing anything that cannot be accomplished. That's the thing. And these are all pre-ran cars that are designed to run this show. So everybody went out and they figured out what kind of car they could have to make it fit. And everyone, this is
the
a
only car that has that kicker.
Nobody has kickers to the humps.
Okay.
Yep.
And if you guys want, you guys can do it, but you got to do it within the rule set.
We'll go fix it.
I mean, I don't know what else to say.
Here, body has to be cut free from.
Oh, that's just those.
So good.
Yeah.
Hold on a second, we'll give you your list back.
It's pretty straightforward.
Right.
Next, bro.